Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Nissan Navara, stock number 6013. This ran from 04-2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23TT diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a YS23 twin turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front guard, front snorkel, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,